In this video, you will import data from a banking website into your spreadsheet and freeze a set of rows to create a summary table. In another window, open the simulated banking statement. This is a fictitious bank account statement, but most banking sites display information in similar ways. Anytime you see a table on the internet, you can copy it and paste it into Google Sheets, just like this. Select the entire table of data, right-click, or use keyboard commands to copy the table from the website and paste it into your spreadsheet. Some tables do not paste smoothly into a spreadsheet. To fix this, experiment with Paste Special, which gives you more options for pasting. For example, use Paste Values to paste only the text contained in the original range of cells. Use Paste Format to copy the cell formatting without changing the text or formulas in your spreadsheet. Next, add space at the top of your spreadsheet for a summary table. In this area, you'll calculate your total expenditures. Then, you will create categories and total your spendings in each category. You can perform these calculations anywhere in the spreadsheet, but they are easy to see at the top of the sheet. Set aside a space to make these calculations. To do this, you can insert individual rows above the table you copied, or you could right-click and add 10 rows. You could even copy 10 blank rows and paste them at the top of your sheet. But the fastest way is to insert multiple rows at once. Highlight about 10 rows of your spreadsheet. Right-click and insert 10 rows above the data you copied. Then freeze these rows, so you will always be able to see them as you move around in your spreadsheet. Highlight the 10th row and select Freeze up to current row. Now you have a space at the top of your spreadsheet dedicated for your calculations. In the next video, you'll use the sum and SUMIF formulas to calculate your expenditures. Now it's your turn. Copy and paste the table from the banking website into your spreadsheet. Create a summary table by adding 10 rows to the top of your spreadsheet and freezing those rows. Then move on to the next video.